Luna, where are we going?
This is what.
Ay, may ilaw. Where are we going, Luna?
To Detroit.
We're going to Detroit. O, diba? Dahil napakalapit ng Detroit, pupunta kami doon to have dinner at this Mexican restaurant na sinuggest sa amin ni Kuya Joseph, yung may-ari ng Filipino takeout food dito. Tignan niya yung ETA namin, no, galing Windsor. 28 minutes lang off to the restaurant in Detroit na pupuntahan namin. Tignan niya, dire-diretso nga lang to so far.
Bridge to USA!
Ayan.
Truck, yung mga ano.
Ooh, first time namin dumaan sa Ambassador Bridge. Ayaw ako ipag-video ng maliit na to. Hold on, baby. Just let me take a quick video.
Luna, check out outside. Mama, show her the... Hindi, parang dito na yung skyline. Look, there's a big Canada flag up front.
Papamaikli kasi hindi niya nakikita ba?
We're close.
Yan! We're at the Ambassador Bridge. Nung first time kami nang tumawid, in the previous vlog, sa tunnel kami. Ngayon naman, bridge. Oh, walang tao. It's a Saturday night.
Kumama rin yun,
Oh, the Detroit River. Ayan. Ito na yung Detroit. And then the other side, Canada.
Mama, there's a boat, Mama.
There's a boat. You're right. Here's the boat.
And look at the flag. USA flag.
Detroit River. Ganda, oh. Ayan, US na kami.
Passports.
Hold on.
Open.
Pila na kami. Grabe, sobrang laking tulong na bago ako umalis ng Pilipinas, nag-renew ako ng US visa ko. At na-renew siya ng 10 years. O, diba? Yun, nakatawid na kami. Medyo natagalan lang kami kasi pinababa kami and I had to renew my picture and fingerprints.
I-97 ba tawag doon?
Ha?
I-97?
Yeah, basta yun. Nangyayari talaga yun, pinaparenew sa akin every 6 months. So pag tumatawid ako ng border sa immigration, they check kung updated yung picture ko, yung fingerprints ko. Dahil, ayun, visitor ako, ganun lang talaga. So napakalapit lang din sa border nung Mexican town. Tama ba?
9 minutes away.
Yeah. So, at nandito yung Los Altos kung saan kami kakain.
It's the bridge. Tignan mo.
Oh, bridge. Oo nga, no? Parallel pala natin si bridge. Oh, ayan, no? There's a bridge. We're here. Los Altos. Okay. Let's go. Where do we pass? Yun.
Bebe si Luna. Ang dami yung tao.
No. Okay, appetizers.
Legit.
Yeah, it looks legit and authentic. Huh? That's not pizza, that's nachos.
There's pizza. Yum.
Okay. Nakalimutan ko na video nung bago dating. Oh, ano ba yan? O, 3 tacos each with rice and beans, dips. Yan, Luna, rice and meat. Isang ganitong plate is $10 US. So, in Canadian, siguro around 13.
1.3
Yeah. Sa kinakainan natin, babe, sa Toronto, magkano yung
25 tatlong tacos.
25.
20 o 25 tatlong
Ayun, 20 or 25 tatlong tacos. O, diba? Dito, it's 10 in US, so about 13 siguro sa atin. Kakaiba yung sauce nila. Ito parang dinikdik na
Jalapeno.
Grilled na jalapeno yung dinikdik. Ito naman parang dinikdik na beans, fried beans. Parang may charred taste. Total bill, $31.64. Para sa aming dalawa na yan, ha. Din yung tax nila, $1.74 lang, US. Tapos, sa Toronto, yung binibila namin ng tacos, per order is about 20-25, depende kung saan. 3 tacos din yun. So, plus tax, siguro mga ganito rin, no? Pang isang tao lang yun sa Toronto. Dito, 2 na kami. O, diba? The street, no crossing the street. Look!
High-five me!
Yes!
Oh, calm down. You go to the stairs, go. Slowly.
Wow! Are you waiting for me?
Excited to...
Tulog, babe. Mga 2 hours pa, no?
Wait, are you excited to swim, Luna? Woohoo! You say, woo, swimming! Okay, we're going to Adventure Bay! Nako, hindi na ako naka-vlog dun sa bahay, but we have visitors again. And midweek ngayon, yan, mga kaibigan ni JJ, galing Toronto. It's Wednesday. We're going to Adventure Bay? Ano tawag dyan? Ayun, apparently, ito na mo. Sila pa nagsabi sa amin na nandito pala sa Windsor yung isa sa mga pinakamalalaking water parks.
Pinakamaganda daw.
O at isa daw sa pinakamaganda sa Ontario. Tama ba, Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're taking the kids
According
there.
to my close friend, Jet.
So, ayun si JJ, nag-take pa ng day off. Sila pa nagsabi sa amin actually about that water park. We had no idea. So, we're taking the kids there. Ayan, si Luna, excited? Are you excited? Parang hindi naman po. Okay, we're approaching the water park. Grabe, napakalapit lang pala sa amin. Parang mga, wala pang 15 minutes. It's very near yung riverside kung nasan yung Canadian flag. Ayan, no? Adventure. Naku po, ito na naman kasi yung cover sa window ni Luna. Pero ito siya, it's an indoor water park.
Siyempre naman, nandito man ang parking,
Luna, come.
Sama kami sa vlog,
Yeah, say hi. Woohoo! Our visitors. Hey Luna, are you excited?
Welcome to our channel!
Adventure Bay. Okay,
Adventure
hold on.
Bay!
Say Adventure Bay.
Adventure Bay! Adventure Bay!
Uy, okay, go, come on.
Mama, watch this.
It's Adventure Bay.
It's adventure.
It's the water park. Look, Luna, there's a polar bear. Over there, polar bear. Yay! Wristbands. Can I see your wristband, Luna?
And she's the one. No.
Babe, magkano siya?
If you're from Windsor, it's 21
21.
something. If you're coming from out of town, 27 or...
Ayun. O, di okay. Oh, to our friends. Pwede ka pala dito. Kayo dito, pero bring JJ. Look at that! Grabe, oh.
Ate Adri.
There's Ate Adri.
Kuha mo siya na live. Kuha ko rin ito. Pag siya lady.
Baba. Jump, you jump. Nako, nakalimutan ko na nga mag-shoot kanina. Uwian na kami. Hey Luna, come here. Hey, did you have fun swimming? Nako po. There you go. We were there for I think more than 3 hours. O, diba? Yung katabi pala nung water park is this, Windsor International Aquatic and Training Center. Parang Olympic size pools yata meron din pala dyan. Sa tabi lang niya. Hey, okay. Take a picture. Pose. Best pose, Luna. What's your best pose? 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, come on. Ayun. Okay. To, siguro mga... Oh, okay. Different athletes. Dito.
Olympians, babe.
Oh, Olympians ba? I had no idea, sorry.
Ayun, Olympic triathlon coach. Ito, Commonwealth decathlon champion.
Aba,
World
okay.
Championship.
So, yeah, they have a little exhibit here. Ayan, ito pala sa katabi pala to yung... Ito ba yung Olympic size, Jay? Oh, this one. See? See that? Yeah, Luna, that's where you will train if you want to be a swimmer. You want to be... Luna, do you want to be a swimmer? Or a gymnast?
Swimming.
Swimmer na ngayon, okay. Siyempre. Hindi pwedeng mawala. Ang picture taken sa Riverside.
Stop.
You look at Tito Jet. Stay here.
There you go.
Okay, smile. Look at Tito Jet.
Hello. Naangko nga muna yung TV. It's the last day of the long weekend. It's a Monday. Ako palang gising sa bahay namin. We have visitors again. Hindi kami nawala ng bisita. My sister and my brother-in-law. Yan, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Uwi na sila mamayang gabi. So mag-ihaw-ihaw lang yata kami dito sa labas. Grabe guys, pasensya na kayo. Hindi rin ako naka-vlog for this long weekend. Sayang, idadagdag ko rin sana sa sunod ko ngang day in the life vlog. But we were just so busy. Ano ba yan? Well, I had work. Dami naming ginagawa. Ang gulo. Nanonood muna ako ng ilang news. So, sometimes when I'm by myself by in the morning, I still like to watch the news. Hey! What are you doing? Sarap pa. Muti ka pa. Can I feel your water? Ooh, it's warm. Uh-oh, it's spilling. Diba? Mataas ang araw pero the wind's cool. Sarap. Mamaya-maya mag-iihaw na sila. Nag-marinate kami ng inasal na pork pala. Okay. Okay, Mama will go inside because I need to talk to Tito Rice and Tito Mark.
No!
Ngay!
Lagyan ng used oil ang grill para hindi dumikit. Nagluto si Ina ng munggo at nagsaing ng hilaw, kaya may foil dyan sa loob kasi may nakita raw siyang isang hack pag hilaw ang sinaing.
Sit down. Would you make B?
Who are you? What is your name?
May B. May B.
Is there a B?
Pero, dalawa.
You show them, you tell, hey, my papa is the Jollibee.
Baby, look, it's swimming inside. Look.
Labor Day, walang trabaho, Lunes. So, mag-ihaw kami ng inasal na baboy. Painitin na natin yung grill. Yan, bukas na. Apoy na. At maya-maya natin kukusin ang grill mismo.
She's biting her back! It's biting her back! Ay! It's biting her back!
May mga bisita kami galing Toronto, si Jacob Don the Great at si J. Melinda Legend.
J. Melinda?
At saka Luna, can you please beat up Gaga?
No, because she loves Gaga. Jiu-jitsu!
Okay, I'm done.
Ayoko nang ginagawa
I'm
na ako
done.
na
I'm done.
Pwede na to. Kakain na kami maya-maya. Tinatapos lang ni Ina yung live niya sa Spot Pinoy with Sir Mark and Sir Rice. Okay.
Oh, wow! We're in Emmitsburg. We are in Emmitsburg. It's a town na malapit lang din sa Windsor. Para mga 20-25 minute drive just to check it out. Meron din daw silang magandang riverside view here and parang old town features. Ganda. Ganda naman. Aray ko po. Sige, let's buy first. Bibili muna kami ng ice cream and then we'll go to the other side dyan para makita yung view. Wow! Ang bango! Amoy Italian pizza. Oh. Cute naman. Wow. Ito na yung ice cream shop.
Para ka nasa...
Babe, masarap?
Para ka nasa Amerika dito.
Mas maganda dito.
Para ka nasa Baguio.
This is my flavor. Mint chocolate chip. Masarap?
Hindi ka niya pa nag-try.
Baby, what? Tell Ninang that flavor of your ice cream.
Okay, naglalakad na kami papunta dun sa Riverside. Oh, wow, ang ganda naman ng hotel na to. Look at this. Nice. Wow. Oh my God. Alam mo, the video doesn't do it justice. Hey! I know. Is it yum? Hey, Luna. You like it here? You like it here? You see insects, huh?